Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it is the perfect time to pamper yourself and achieve that radiant glowing skin for your special day. Today, I'll be sharing some expert skincare tips and tricks to help you get that dream glow in time for Valentine's Day. Hi, my name is Ngo and I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. If you find this video useful, remember to like it. Share it with another person that wants to look good for Valentine's Day and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to be among the first to know whenever a new video is released. Meanwhile, I have a gift for you. There is a copy of Beauty Secrets and it is absolutely free of charge. You can find it in the description of this video. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about prepping your skin. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities. Follow up with a hydrating toner to rebalance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps in your skincare routine. 2. Exfoliation is key to achieving a radiant complexion. Incorporate a gentle exfoliator into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath. Be sure to choose a product that suits your skin type and avoid over exfoliating, as it can cause irritation. 3. Nourishing with serums. Let's talk about serums. Serums are packed with potent ingredients that target specific skin concerns. For a glowing complexion, look for serums infused with vitamin C, high hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. These ingredients help brighten, hydrate, and even out skin tone, leaving you with a radiant glow. Serums are not compulsory for me, but if you want a good one, there's a link to great skin products in the description of this video for you to choose from. 4. Hydration is key. Hydration is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Incorporate a moisturizer into your skincare routine to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking plump and radiant. Opt for a lightweight formula that won't clog your pores, and consider adding a hydrating facial oil for an extra boost of nourishment. 5. Sun protection for skin health. Don't forget sun protection. UV rays can cause premature aging and damage to your skin, so it is crucial to wear a sunscreen every day, even during the winter months. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and apply it generously to all exposed areas of your skin. There you have it, ladies. Your free copy of Beauty Secrets is waiting for you in the description of this video. Also, recommendations for skincare products. By following these skincare tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to achieving that radiant, glowing skin just in time for Valentine's Day. Remember to take care of your skin, not just for special occasions, but for overall skin health and well-being. If you found this video helpful and interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's Day in advance.